What's up, guys? Back with another video, Baker Saltwater Guide. Got my buddy here, Matthew Touchstone, and he is a first mate on a 77.
Yep, 77-foot Hatteras.
All right, tell him a little bit about yourself.
I mean, I've fished my whole life. I'm kind of a garbage inshore fisherman and bass fisherman, but hey, I get lucky every once in a while.
Yeah. So
we'll
today,
this guy can teach me a few things.
Yeah. So today we're gonna go out and do some bass fishing. Hopefully catch some big ones. Yeah. So do you want to tell him a little bit about this spot?
Well, I was fishing out here with my buddy Hayden, and I hadn't caught anything in an hour and a half, and I was sitting on the bank right here, just casting with the shittiest little rod. It was rusted to crap, and I'm sitting there just not even, honestly, just not even trying to fish. I was just there to hang out. And I hook up on this bass, and I'm like, oh dang, like this is a pretty nice one. And then we saw him, and it was clearly it was a big freaking bass, easily the biggest one I've ever caught. And there was a bunch of algae and stuff right here, so Hayden had to get in and pull the algae all the way so we get the bass up, because it was just super light line. And we get the bass that turned out being like a solid 10-pound bass.
Yeah. Yeah. So
pretty sweet.
That's what we're here to catch today. Oh my God! I missed another one, dude. I did miss one that time because my line moved. Like, I literally saw that thing freaking grab it because he went. Oh my God, I literally was not filming that hookup, dude. I just got the end of the fish.
3/4 pound bass.
Yeah, he's not a full pound. Dude, fighting fish on these rods are so much fun.
Bro, I want to so bad. Just try it.
It's kind of hard to feel the bite because they're so sensitive, and it's also hard to set the hook.
Yeah.
He's kind of chunky, not gonna lie.
It's not bad.
He's definitely filled in, like he's not a skinny bass. Look at that beauty. We gonna put him back in. Put him back in the water. Give him a little flipperooski. There he goes. Dang, son. Don't jump, don't jump. Oh, that's a... No! No, he just came off. Matthew, go steal his golf ball. It's right over there. You see it on the green, on the fairway? Huh? No, just go up there and throw it into the lake. Oh yeah, that's another bass. What do you not understand? I know. You and Hayden just don't understand how I catch so many fish.
No, like, what are you doing different?
I don't know. Dude, he tore up that bait. Oh, that's a pretty bass. Look at him. He's pretty. He's a pretty guy. I'm gonna put him back in the water. Be free, buddy. Go eat Matthew's lure now. Another little guy. Little AB dude. Pretty cool, guys. Definitely out fishing my buddy. For sure. Alright, we're gonna get this guy back in. You wanna go over to that other lake? You got one? Let's go, Matt! Let's go! Back to back bass! Let's go! Let's go! You're gonna leave me hanging? Let's go. Dude, I wish we didn't release our bass so we could get like a double up.
I saw you with yours, and I was like, really? Oh, he's such a little cutie. Oh, kitty pie.
Give him a sweet release, Matthew. Sweet release.
All right.
We teach fish conservation on this channel.
Of course.
Yes. Oh look, there he goes. But I don't got two, that's the only problem. You see, if I was fishing by myself. Oh, that's a big one. That's a big bass. That is, I think that's a big guy. That is a big guy. Oh, that was solid. Not as big as I expected. Solid hit though. Just popped the lure right out of his mouth. Hey Matthew, I got another one! Look at that one. Look at that guy. We're gonna toss him back in there. Because I feel like we're only catching small bass over here. Yep.
Next, I think that might be 6 bass in an hour.
I think it might, dude.
Dude.
Yo, what a pretty, look at his pattern.
Little baby.
Yeah, he's pretty. You ready to go to the other pond?
Yeah, dude, I got.
Dude, that is a small bass.
Give a good spin and throw him back.